Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you, Pamushapa Bishop Maponga. One of the reasons why Tawaya Panapa is because takanzwa Bishop Elder vari kugara mumapako, caves. So nasa tinoenda kubako. Tambotirega tuye pavari kugara chaipo. So I'm just going to take you through in the living room. Muone the place, how beautiful it is, and most importantly, how clean it is. How clean kuchena ndokunganyanya kukosha at this point because I just want to show you how beautiful and clean this place is. So this is the living room Bishop Maponga. Kuno kundoku kitchen Bishop anenge asinganyanya bike asi ndikuona makazara mind ukona kunde Bishop seems like he loves spices. So nema spice and chichima avo ma fruits, and then this dispenser fridge. Grams nige ratopera and muno maminute munenge mine ndoma wanomwira his items and my yogurt and what muno mune mhiripiri nepepa. And then to the time dining, mune coffee kawo muchichichi. And then panapa tine this wine inodiwa nemababy singaite, and then black label andofarira singaite, and my foodstuffs here, my vase. This is expensive furniture. Kundai inonzi chi ndiwe a furniture expert. Inonzi chi?
Inonzi mukwa.
Mukwa. How much can you get this set? Your table, this ordinary table, how much can you get it for?
In shops from around 800 to 1,000.
Just a table.
Outa table cheti.
Table ne machi.
Seti inonorwa zvoma 1.5.
1.5. Kana utenga Glenview mari?
Iwanike Glenview.
Iwanike ka?
Yeah.
And more, and then my vasana. This thing I don't know what it is, but it's a piece of art. Panapa ndopo wanoitira ndikutoona. Panapa ndopo wanoitira mapodcast. Aone mira rinori. Ndopo buda mira nditi. Mic anyway. I cannot afford this mic. And this is a PC inenge itongori ne desktop yacho. So panapa I think ndopo wanoitira mapodcast awo. And you come and you see this chakagadzirwa nunjika mukake kanobaya nongo. And this is an award here, Professional Warfare Through Public Speaking. I hereby present this award to Bishop Joshua Maponga. This is an award, and this is a one. Look at this. Doganenda ma what and a perfume. I will not use it. And this is another plaque, African Revival, and then Renungo, and also Anaya Machi, my books.
Library.
Because the man,
a man who is
well read.
Yeah. You know that there is even Dr. Strive Masiwa. Honest Dr. Strive Masiwa.
Yeah.
Vachitara rimwe gore vakati hanzi kana ida kuona kuti munhu ari successful sei handitarise anything else nongota library.
So what can you tell from this library?
This library, it shows good. And now I understand why the man is, wakamboana vachitaura.
Well informed.
Yeah.
Chimbotora pana. Anapo so chiwenga murume wese anofanira kunge aine tsvimbo yake. Panapa manje murume wese anofanira kunge aine cheya yake inoratidza umambo. Kana wewe uchizviti wewe uri mambo wemba, ndiwe musoro wemba usina your own throne. So it only my shield, horns, and my flag. My flag, I think, I not symbolize kwese kwaenda influence bishop. So you look at this chair. I cannot sit here because I was going to get a pachigaro chemwe mambo ningo wakutozvita mambo wemba and then panapa very interesting as well. Hatisupinda my bedroom, but dangokuratidza something beautiful. This closet, Bishop, I just cannot help but look at how organized it is. Zvese zvakanyatsopetwa ndichazokutorerei kumba kwangu muzoona yangu inenge nehembe shoma but dzisina kurongwa zvakanaka. Look here, kana wanderesa kunoko. Traditional attires, but well arranged.
Well arranged, baba.
Anangogadzirwa well arranged. Yeah. And of course, this the bishop, I don't know what they are doing here. Netsvimbo dzavo 700. Yeah.
Yakataura naChiwenga, Apostle.
Rega tingowamhoresa just a minute. Bishop, good day.
Hello, sir. Thank you for invading my private space.
Yeah, we have invaded it. You can press charges at the nearest police
Mfana,
station.
wola wakabuda kujeri mfana. Ndokuzosera kuba.
Isusu takarirwa nemaveteranati kwati. You have got a very beautiful space, yeah?
It's just a corridor, honestly. I can't call this a home. I have a house in Johannesburg, and this is just a workstation. Like I'm building a palace. A palace. No, yeah, a palace.
In your rural home.
Beatrice. That's my home, and I'm building another one, Kubikita. This is my ancestral home. The house where I was born in, kitchen Yambuyapa, I've decided to put on the palace. I've got another place in Domboshava. I want to build a touristic attraction center with indigenous knowledge systems, agriculture, and but when I came back from Johannesburg, I thought, let me put a comfortable place for myself where I can live, but I'm literally less than a week in this house, but most of my time is in caves and in mountains and etc. But then I come back here and I wash and remove my clothes and pack a new bag. But yeah, this is where I'm at. Zopopoti kwanawapfana munhu asina shangu wakagara kumusana kwekombi achiti mudhara unopinga, but it's okay.
As you know, the bishop is homeless, literally living in caves. He is avoiding bills.
Kwai wakadzingwa Joni. Mudhara, he has failed life, so he's trying all these things, and I giggle with sarcasm of insults. But I have achieved more in my life than the person who is saying that, and his father and his mother and his grandmother. Actually, I can pay for his life.
Midlife crisis.
Oh, if that is an African construct, I accept it. But if growth has to do with learning new things and developing and growing, I want to admit that I'm growing. But I don't have a midlife crisis.
Ladies and gentlemen, save the best for the rest, because we are going to sit down with Bishop for quite a long time, and so we will not talk about much of the things, but tsvimbo idzo dzinorepresenta chii?
Idzo tsvimbo dzaunoona mfana idzo inhoroondo namatare mfana. Imwe neimwe svimbo ine gwendo gwayo, kwayakaenda nokwayakabva, namapurwa ndakaita, nezvirevo nezviga nezvide zvayo. Ndikatora imwe apa inotova TV program yakamira yoga, Burkina Faso, Malawi, South Africa, mapako nendima dzimwe half of them ndaitogadzira ndomene. Ndiri kumapako kuya ndopuwa danda ndoveza. Iyi ndiyo kuNtavazimbi South Africa, iyi ndiyo kuMkwasini, iyi ndiyo kuKenya, iyi ndiyo kuJamaica, iyi ndiyo kuTanzania, Dandairu, iyi ndiyo kuBurkina Faso. Hai, tingatoita program yakatomira yoga yakangotendeka pasvimbo idzodzo. We are collecting experiences.
Ma collection ari munomu ndikuona masouvenir machi, if kana netivanhu vanofunga
iyo ndiyo kusvita mbanje yekumatonga inonzi tombondo iyo yokerakisa kumusana inonzi kuti kwaya mudharaunda yokera moti kuti nechikaranga yokuisa mutsago, that's my mutsago. Iyo ndiyo kuCongo, iyo ndiyo kuRwanda dacha iro, iyi ndiyo kuKenya dendi rokuchengeta mukaka nekuzaura vanesa chivutsimomo. It's all science and technology. And the drums, the painting, I got it from Zambia. The horns. This young man knows timbotora picture muvarigwa uyu aripa muvarigwa uyu. ndiye wakandosvika wakaenda kumbare akanotengera this thing wakanditengera gudu iyi. I'm still trying to understand kuti munopinda mumarket where there are 1,000 gifts undondivigira gudu iyi. Ndiyo vari uyu mfana wemunoona ndiye mwene wePowerful Africa uyu mfana uyu. Yeah, he's good. Powerful Africa, but he bought me a baboon. And wakatenga gudu iri nemari yanda ndamupa futi. Ndokuenda kumarket ndokunditengera gudu mfana kunditengera gudu. But this is one of the most treasured items that I have.
Jane, and lastly before taenda on set. Ningi masouvenir ari munomo machi ari munomo ese. I know kuti unano ari ne fanatism for my collections. If you are going to hold an exhibition today, panapa mama tora ma fanatics ma collections, how much can you walk away with? You are giving away everything.
Bearing in mind that most of the things that are here, almost 60%, I've made them myself. I mean, those heads, for example, that trophy that is over there, and that other horn that is there, the necklaces, the sticks, and etc. I've actually bring me my head there. That is on my chair there. My head.
Regati Tori.
You're lucky. No, the other one, the red one.
Umeona? Naiona. Okay.
Yeah. And ndangozokanda dindi.
Andisikira nayo ndingopfeka papoti in the streets.
Zigo. Zvina kushupa mfana zvautanga kuti zviri kushupa mfana. Uzangotora nyembe dzamufana wopfeka nyembe mfana. Asi kana wati zvainoda kuita woita.
You know what ndofana does.
Kana wati woita.
Yeah.
Handi wapfeka.
So we are ready for it.
Yesterday I put a status that said when I am sad and I'm not feeling well, I resort to art. And I write beautiful things with my tears. So I made this head yesterday. Yesterday. Yeah. I bought this in London. Then I had some pieces in my wardrobe that I had kept, and I assembled it together to come up with this piece of art. Not necessarily that I am of the British Empire. Some people might talk about crosses and other things, but I had bought the emblems together. So I thought I would make something quite personal and so if your question you asked me is that how much would this cost?
Yes.
Which was your initial question. I don't know how much this will cost. I think true value is found in the hearts of those who believe in what I can do. But you will not walk around the world and find another piece like this. Yes. And I will leave that to you. Since the commercial also that kana kwanzitenga $82, $5, I think a commercial question cannot be asked in a spiritual space.
Let me explain it this way. Andomugona this piece in the shikura ndaiona movie Ajek Chan. And by movie Ajek Chan. Yes. 1994. Ndakura. All right. For movie Ajek Chan, there's something chandakadzidzai baba. Like pamene ma pieces ekune mavhasi mavhese omachi anenge akabiwa kuChina. So those things, they get stolen, they are sold for millions in American museums, London, France, what. So they would go on a secret mission to retrieve my pieces I beg to what. So now after they got it, pane temptation he can sell it. That's what I just said. So he was asked why these things, they are priceless. You cannot put a price on them because price, they are our heritage.
Mapisi awandagadzira wafana. Haana value iko zvino. Ndiri mupenyu. But I can tell you now, the day I close my eyes, you will not be able to walk into this house and pick any piece. Not worth nothing.
So PK is pachinenguva. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, tosangana papod.